Dental Hygiene Well-Being Committee is a committee of the Maryland Dental Hygienists Association. Its purpose is to provide well-being assistance to any Maryland licensed dental hygienist, dental radiation technologist, or dental assistant. Some people really aren't sure what is well-being assistance. It is to help with any issue that's causing someone distress. This could include a range of concerns from being the caregiver of an elderly parent, going through a divorce or having relationship problems, having problems at work, or having substance abuse problems. If you have a problem that is adversely affecting your life and routine and you're feeling overwhelmed, then our committee is here to help you.
The Well-Being Committee was formed to help prevent and intervene with problems before they impact professional functioning. No one's immune from the problems of daily living, regardless if you're a dental hygienist, an assistant, a radiation technologist, or a student of the profession. Family issues, personal work stressors, medical concerns, emotional difficulties, problems with alcohol, drugs, and medication can impact any one of us at any time.
The members of the committee are licensed dental hygienists, and the clinical coordinator is a licensed social worker and substance abuse professional.
I've served as the clinical coordinator of the committee since its inception in 1990. I'm a clinical social worker and an addictions counselor. My role is to conduct a professional assessment of your situation, come up with options and an action plan to help you address the issues, and provide you with needed referrals and to support you through the wellness process.
The Dental Hygiene Committee is constantly striving to increase our outreach in the community. Currently, we exhibit at all Maryland Dental Hygienists Association spring meetings and annual session. Information is presented to the MDHA component meetings. Continuing education regarding the committee and substance abuse is available. We offer presentations to the students in the dental hygiene programs. We co-sponsor the National Council on Alcohol and Drug Dependence Professional Gratitude Dinner, which supports professionals in recovery. We frequently exhibit at the NCADD CHIRC Conference, which is an all-day event that provides information and support for recovering individuals. And we offer information at the Chesapeake Dental Conference.
Confidentiality is the cornerstone of the program. We want the Well-Being Committee to be the resource of choice for you. Knowing we'll protect your information is critical to that. We never share your information without your written permission or unless you're going to be a harm to yourself or someone else. All records are kept in my protected record system, separate from MDHA and board offices and files.
As I mentioned, the Dental Hygiene Well-Being Committee is a committee of the Maryland Dental Hygienists Association, which is a professional association. The Maryland State Board of Dental Examiners is the licensing board for dental professionals. We see clients who are self-referred and referred by the State Board of Dental Examiners. Those who are board-referred will have their treatment monitored by the board, and we work with a case manager assigned to the case and working with the committee. The committee is mandated by law. Annually, the Maryland Dental Hygienists Association signs a contract with the Department of Health and Mental Hygiene. The budget is funded by the Department of Health and Mental Hygiene of the state of Maryland and is monitored by the Maryland State Board of Dental Examiners. Quarterly, the committee chair, myself, submits a report to the board about the committee's activities. The clinical coordinator will do the same when there is a board-referred client.
There are several ways to access well-being services. You can refer yourself, and this is called a self-referral. Just dial our helpline, leave a message, and we'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Most of our work is done with self-referrals. You can also be referred by the Maryland State Board of Dental Examiners. This is called a board referral. Typically, this happens when there's an infraction, a complaint, or a legal charge that results in board attention. The board will refer you to me for a face-to-face evaluation and will help you address the wellness issue that may be compromising your professional functioning. We'll also serve as your advocate, assuming you're following the care plan that we've developed for you. There are even funds available to assist you if we refer you to treatment. Finally, family, friends, co-workers, and partners can also refer you if they feel that you're struggling with a professional issue.
The confidentiality of each client that comes to our committee is taken very seriously. No names are used. A number is assigned to the individual, and that is how their case is discussed among the committee members. Only the clinical coordinator knows the identity of the client. In the case of a board referral, then obviously the board is also aware of the identity. The board refers clients who have been brought to their attention by an employer, a coworker, or an acquaintance of the individual. That is why it is so important that someone contact the committee prior to having their professional license jeopardized.
If I could offer one piece of advice for anyone thinking of calling or using the services of the Well-Being Committee, it would be to call sooner rather than later. Many issues get worse, not better with time. Give us a try. The only thing you have to lose are your problems.
You can contact the Well-Being Committee by phoning 1-800-974-0068. You do not have to leave your name. You can call with questions or for additional information. We will return your call. If you would like to talk to the clinical coordinator directly, her phone number is listed on our outgoing message. Our website is mdhawell-being.org.